Hello, this is Galen Martling. Today I have a an Art Deco style card for you, and it's a retirement card. I'm using stamps and dies by Unity Stamp Company. So this is going to show partial background stamping and also Unity dies. So for the stamp kit, I have Happy Retirement. That includes the sentiments and a die for the big retirement sentiment. And also I'm using Art Deco. It's a July 2021 background of the month stamp. So I'm using both of those. To save time, I pre-stamped and pre-trimmed the background panel, and I am stamping using My Favorite Things ink. I'm using the die to stamp and cut out that sentiment there. So I stamped it and then I used the die over it, ran it through my die cutting machine, and it stamps and it die cuts out this beautiful large retirement sentiment. I also stamped and trimmed with a paper trimmer the coordinating sentiment that goes with it. So I used two sentiments for this. And for the stamping and the background, I just use the whole background stamp. It's a background of the month. It's going to be called Art Deco, and it is a membership kit that you can purchase those background of the months as a monthly membership kit, and after that it can be purchased individually after the following month. And so this is a beautiful Art Deco. I love this look. Now I chose to make a partial background. I'm going to fussy cut and trim this to make sort of a diagonal look for the background. But first I added layers of Copic markers. I have 3 colors I'm working with in really a teal sort of shade. I have 3 colors that coordinate: a dark, a medium, and a light. You can use any color medium. Just make sure you stamp with something that will work with the color medium that you're using. In this case, it is Copic friendly ink for the stamping, and for any others, you just want to make sure that the stamping is compatible with the inks. So I have finished accenting partially this background with color. Now I'm using fussy cutting, which is just cutting out some of that trim there along that Art Deco look there. I'm just trimming it off. I think it looks like a scallop, sort of an edge there. I'm only going to use the left side there, but you can use this top side another time. You can just add more color or make another card just with that top portion. Use a little more color or not. It works great. So it's a good way, an easy way to get 2 cards out of one background. So for this particular video, I'm just showing one card to give you an idea of how you can use a partial background. And then I place with foam and flat double-sided tape, I place that background, and the sentiments, I overlap the background a little bit. So it's going to be foam tape to the right there and flat tape over the background panel, just to make an even sentiment there. I hope you like this. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.